name is Hashim and I am in Year 6 at NBA Al Dafna. I am so happy that I'm back at school. I can see my teachers and friends. Our teachers have trained us well to keep us safe in school. We sanitize our hands often and we all keep a safe social distance and we wear masks in class. Although I wish we can go back to normal school, I am happy to be at school and learn with my friends and my teacher. This term has been good so far and I have learned a lot while being safe at school with my friends.
Good morning, my name is Yasmin Busrita and I am in 6th grade at Newton British Academy at Dafna. It was nice being at home, but I would prefer going to school because my friends and teachers are here. We stay safe in school, but in class our tables far apart from each other and we always be told to put hand sanitizer and always keep our mask on when we're walking around with people.
Isamara, Year 2 green. Mohammed, 5 red, and 1 sibling. Thank you.